Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm just going to see thank you so much for supporting me with my channel to get well, thank you so much for subscribing me guys, because when I started YouTube I never thought I would get this far, because I thought I would usually probably not even get 10, but because of all the support guys, it's just a miracle that it's come to the situation where I have nearly hit 25 subscribers guys, so thank you so much for subscribing. Please subscribe to become part of the Gaming Kids Squad army guys, and just subscribe, it means so much to me guys. I love you all, and I've had some comments by this guy called Nitro saying a very good user. Big shout out to him. Click on his channel and subscribe guys, and subscribe to me as well guys. I love you all, thank you for watching my videos, liking them, subscribing guys, and all those 23 subscribers out there just been supporting me. Make sure a big shout out to them, subscribe to them, and yeah, subscribe to me. Comment down below what I should do in the next video guys, and also hit the little bell to become a part of the Gaming Kids Squad army and to not miss a video by me. And on Saturday this week I'm making my way back home, so I won't be making a video Saturday, but maybe a bit tonight though, like the night on Saturday maybe. But yeah guys, thank you so much for supporting me to nearly get 25 subscribers guys. That's a huge milestone on YouTube for me, to be honest guys, so if you could keep it up, thank you so much for subscribing guys. And yeah, big shout out to all those people that subscribe to me and like my videos. And apart from that guys, take care, but big shout out to my friends, like I mentioned in my videos. But yeah, subscribe and hit the little bell, all those things. Go to my old friends that take it.